Here's just a little tip. When I run this on the street with the doors off and the windows off, I have trouble with this coming loose. So initially, I got some paper clamps here to hold it down, but I decided to put Velcro on. So what I'm going to do is take these off, which are a pain in the butt. Pull this out. This is what happens going down the highway. This thing kind of flaps out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Velcro, put it on this mating surface here, and then Velcro and put it on that mating surface there. So here I have my Velcro. Got that at a craft store. Piece here. This is the mating surface here. And then a piece up here. It should hold it in place a little better. Yeah, much better. So you want to repeat that on the front, and as well as on the passenger side.